Okay, welcome back. On to Operation Thunderbolt.
The Terranoid base is protected by an impenetrable force field.
And missiles.
Trying to figure out a way to get past it. In the meantime, Command wants you to take the hover ship and wipe out the Noid forces in the surrounding areas.
Destroying missiles. This is quite a fun mission, this one, actually. The hardest, the hardest one I think is the first one, just because of what you have to do. Come on, I can get them down easy. Oh god. Yeah, down. Okay, one more. One more dropship. Whoa. Okay, those are going down. Oh god. Ah! Ah! You're going down. Whoa! Yeah! Boom! Oh god, there's another one. Ah! Ah! Things are not going too well. Here goes then. Onwards for victory. There's another one. Here goes. Ah! 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 Drive away now! Drive away now!
Shut down this force field. H26, why don't you try sticking your finger in the main power transformer?
Got it. One more.
That's a good idea, sir. This thing looks pretty dangerous. Suck it up, 26. You got nothing to worry about. I got special training with electronic thingamajiggies. Okay, here goes.
Yeah. Lol. Die. Right, one more. Come on, I can do this. Yeah! Maximum attack increased.
26 has been vaporized, sir. But the force field has been deactivated.
Woohoo!
Alright. Them trooper deserves a medal.
Yeah! Yeah! 20,000. Oh yeah, love this bit.
The noise is just about finished. Trust me, Sarge. This one's gonna be a cakewalk.
No, it won't. I can guarantee you it won't. That's why.
Run for your lives! The noise are bringing in reinforcements by air.
This is why it's not going to be a cakewalk. You think this is going to be easy? You are wrong. But it's great to level up your weapon. Oh my god, they're like totally destroying me, and they totally destroyed me. Okay, this one's pretty hard. How much money do I have? I don't know. A lot. And I'm going to have a lot more. Excellent. Lies.
Like I said, these noids don't have the phone. Run for your lives!
Don't run, just fight! No running is involved in the making of this video. A fight. Oh yes! Thank you very much. Boom, baby.
Incoming!
Yes. Nice. That's how it's done. Ah!
The noise might be waiting for us at the next bridge.
Yes. You're going down. Oh, that's not good. Got it. Fire! Well done, mini turrets. You did well. What now? Oh my god, what can I use? Which is going to be effective. Other than that. B2, not good enough. Lava, flux. Lava it is. What was that? Fine, be cowards.
This is it, ladies. Move in and wipe them out.
Understood, go. Win. Yes, that's how it's done. Get the other to shoot. Yes, down you go. Now to get rid of you. How am I going to do that? Got it. Okay, maybe not. Give it help. Bring it on. Say hello to my little friend.
Accomplished. We are now in complete control.
Woohoo! Oh yes, that's a lot of money I just got. Woohoo! I can get some new armor, new armor, new armor. I can get some new armor. Hooray, hooray, hooray! I can get some new armor, new armor, new armor. I can get some new armor. Hooray, hooray, hooray! I'm now happy. I can get some new armor, new armor, new armor. We're going back here, we are going back here. Oh yes, this is the time we meet Helga. She gives us some fitness training, I believe.
It was the biggest tyrannoid you've ever seen.
Yeah, it is.
Big as a star cruiser and packing twice as much firepower. There was no escape. He was coming right at me. Closer, closer. Oh, what am I going to do, right? Closer, even closer. Click, click. My blaster jam.
No way! What happened next?
Yes, go on. We're all riveted.
So, this is the mighty Q-Force I've heard so much about. Pathetic! I could obliterate the lot of you, and they wouldn't even mention it in Supervillain Weekly.
True, sir, but you'll have done the fashion world an enormous service.
And as for you, Agent Clank, I have far grander plans for you. All right, Lawrence, you can turn it off now.
Oh, may I, sir? What a treat.
Al, come in.
Yellow.
Someone just transmitted a hologram onto the ship. I need to know where the signal came from.
Let's see. Back tracing the signal. 6-path alpha key encryption. Amateurs. I got it. It came from a facility on planet DAXX. Accessing their computer files.
Planet DAXX?
I love this place.
I found something.
Mainly because of this.
Patching it through now.
I love this.
Tonight, we take a journey inside the enigmatic mind of our galaxy's foremost evil genius, Dr. Nefarious. We'll take a tour of this secret facility on planet DAXX, home to some of the galaxy's most insidious superweapons, including the dreaded Rainbow Electrolyzer. Dr. Nefarious, we've all enjoyed your past work, but how do you respond to critics who say your latest galactic schemes are just more of the same?
I will annihilate them!
Lawrence, tell us a bit about this top-secret superweapon being constructed on planet DAXX.
Well, super is such a strong word. For that matter, weapon may be a tad overdoing it. We do, however, have a lovely view of the ocean at sunset.
Is Dr. Nefarious poised on the brink of galactic domination? Or is this super weapon just the latest in a series of maniacal pipe dreams? Stay tuned for more from Supervillain Weekly.
You're a planet DAXX.
Whatever Nefarious is doing on DAXX, it can't be good.
We'll check it out.
You're welcome.
I'm foremost evil genius, Dr. Nefarious. You're a planet DAXX.